How are you all? Welcome back to Crypto Blitz, your place to get your crypto fix. I'm Ripple Van Winkle, and I'm your boss. We hope you have a great time. Monday, December 2nd, everyone, the markets look great. As it keeps moving up here, XRP looks beautiful. We really want to beat the all-time high from 2017 to 2018. That is what we want to see if we can get above $3 by the end of the year. The new price goals were shown in the morning film. For those of you who missed it, I'll quickly go over them again. This is the best case for XRP and what we want to see. This is wonderful. We want to keep going and pushing until XRP costs $10 or more in 2025. We're going to talk about knowledge trees in this episode. They have filed the S140 XRP ETF for real. We had a brief look back. You need to pay attention as we talk about some fun. And only if Michael sells it, people buy Bitcoin, he'd have 30 times as much money as he does now. Take a moment to think about that. So don't wait any longer. Sit back and take it easy. Let's buy a Bitcoin for $95,483. In the last 24 hours, it's gone down 1.61%. The price of Ethereum is $3,613. It's down 2.11% right now. XRP is still going up and pushing. It cost $2.38. When I woke up this morning, it was around $2.25. It's gone up 24.86% in the last 24 hours. It's fine that USDT and USDCC are still stuck at their dial-up pegs a little above. Take a look at HBAR. Because of HBAR, thanks to everyone who heard, it was worth 5 cents. It's been done 5 times. These are huge benefits right there. We are still going to push HBAR even higher. This is only the beginning. I put this one out because it's great. Good morning to everyone who is looking for a house today. What do you think? Bitcoin hasn't gone over 100,000 yet. We are going up so much. I want to be pinched so badly I can't believe that XRP is now worth about $2.40. I only wanted us to break 75 cents by the end of the year, but we did a lot more than that. We almost tripled my goal, which is a strong sign. Very bullish Theo Vincent Van Code, not Van Gogh, Theo Vincent Van Code. He says that Michael Saylor would have 30 times more profits than he does now if he had bought XRP instead of Bitcoin. Can you imagine that? If Saylor wasn't such a big fan of Bitcoin and he diversified a little, just 1%, and bought XRP, he would have 30 times more profits. He could have turned his profits into XRP money and spent it on something else. What about this? Remember Anthony Papiano? He was a huge supporter of Ripple and XRP back then. Soon after, Fast Money showed us live on air how to buy something they called Ripple. But everyone knows it's how to get XRP. Pay attention. Those were the good old days. Fast Money talked about the Ripple watch when it was worth $2.57. When is the next show of Fast Money that will give us the XRP big watch? If news sites talk about crypto when they show XRP on the screen, they should label it as XRP and use it as a real ticker instead of misleading people by showing Ripple. People search for how do I buy Ripple and can't find it because the public can't buy Ripple and Ripple is a company with capital. When are they going to put up the sign that says XRP/Coinbase, XRP/Uphold, and XRP/Crypto.com? Right now, they are just confusing people. As of now, WisdomTree has sent the S1 for the XRP ETF to the SEC. At this point, all we need is for the SEC to sign off on it. Once we have one ETF, we can write it. Don't forget that everything else will come right after it. There will be more than one XRP ETF, the same way we didn't see a Bitcoin ETF. All the ETFs and institutional money will start to buy XRP, and the price will keep going up and up through the pump. You better have a plan for how to leave right now. You should know when to sell and when to leave the market. You should write it down and follow through with the plan. What buyers do that makes the most sense is not taking any profits. Trust me, I've been in this business since 2017 and have left hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table during the last 2 bull cycles. You need to plan your exit, and when those numbers come true, if your first goal is $3 and maybe it's $6, and at those prices it's 10%, you need to sell. If the price keeps going up, don't worry. That's why you set it. You lean out in every direction along the run-up 6, 657, 758, and so on. After everything is said and done, the main goal is to find the sweet spot, which is where the high and low meet. You're in a good place to leave. We will never be able to time these markets perfectly. No one can say that XRP is going to hit $13 and that you should sell everything at that price. It's not going to rise again. That's not known. But if you say, okay, I'll ramp out 8, 859, 950, 10, you get the idea. You will find your highest cost dollar cost average for getting out of the spot and making money. Solana is another drop on the way. Since Solana's price had been going up and down a lot lately, hitting an all-time high of $264 before going down a lot. For all of my Solana fans out there, I hold a lot of Solana. What's the next step? It looks like we should hold above Solana at 221. Take a look at where we are sitting. We're at 225. So if we hold Solana at $221, which is a key support level, this is likely to be broken. If it does, though, we might see an opening down into the low 200s. But if we can keep this up, we will go back up to the all-time high on Solana, about $264. Solana is going to cost around $1,000 to $800. Solana is still young. It will also soon have an ETF. We want you to be careful out there, Rapid's economy. He says the escrow story goes against what Ripple said about the RLUSD. It says that short-term USD payments will back up the token 100%. US government bonds and other things that can be used as cash. Regulators don't want RLUSD to be backed by XRP because there are tweets from people who don't know what they're talking about saying that RLUSD will be backed by all of Ripple's trust. That's not true, folks. It's not going to back RLUSD. The trust is locked and won't be released early. Ripple will put money behind that. A good deal of hype. As usual, people will do anything to get hits these days, even if it's just saying the XRP hashtag. Blockchain Box says that the XRP market cap's weekly candle just ended above the all-time high for 2018. This is good news for bulls. Tomorrow is going to be a really exciting day for XRP. Keep an eye on where it goes today. If this push-up keeps going, we can get back above and set a new all-time high. What we want in the short term is about $2.50 if we can get above that, and then our goal. The last and all-time high, which happened 7 years ago, was in 2018 when we hit about $2.86. It's called $3. It was never $3.92. That was a price mistake in South Korea. We didn't get that high. The chart was shown to you. You can see that the pattern on top of this is the same fractal that happened on XRP in 2016. It looks like the game is going T to T right now. What will we see next? We could go for these 3 green boxes at 330, which would be a new all-time high up to the $6 range. We can see the soaring blow off tops that will take us into the double-digit range. They might have even been talking about how XRP will break through $20. These facts are all true, people. These are real charts and real facts. I'm excited about the future, and so should you be. That's it for now. Now wash your hands and be nice to each other. Ripple Van Winkle is out.